A lot of the nurses that I have are people who started out as a tech with me and then have grown into their nursing role. My name is Jacob Bokert. I am the manager on the Surgical Oncology floor here at Mercy, and I've worked here for just about 3 years. Most of the patients that we see up here are quite a few urology cases. We do like a lot of TURPs, any kind of like urology tumor removal. Quite a few different like colon resections, a lot of bowel obstructions. We'll take hip fractures up here, any kind of like traumatic ortho really. And then we'll also do just a little bit of everything other than cardiac. I would say that the environment up here is very particular on wanting to help students learn, and just like any new nurses in general. We have a floor where it's such a great learning experience, and we're always seeing different things and working with new people all the time, that we really want to make people feel like they are comfortable to ask questions and, not afraid to step out of their comfort zone. Send out like a Friday update every single week, going over like the week in general, recapping like the good, what opportunities we have, that kind of thing. So I like to use that time to acknowledge people if, maybe they've won like a Daisy Award or a Mercy Touch or things like that. A normal day looks like they have about 10 or so patients. We're doing baths, showers, ambulating patients, taking them out to the car if they're getting discharged, and doing like some stocking on the unit. Second shift is pretty similar. They're getting first shift duties more caught up if they weren't able to get done. And then third shift's a little bit different, not so much doing like baths or showers. It's more so like toileting, repositioning, that kind of thing. I would tell people to pick my floor simply because we're the best floor, obviously. No, I'm just kidding, but we do so many different cases up here that it's never a dull moment. Like every single day is a new day. The nurses that I have are people who started out as a tech with me and then have grown into their nursing role. So I feel like that alone tells like a great story about the kind of environment that we have up here. And that's a little bit about the Surgical Oncology unit here at Mercy, and we hope to see you soon.